To connect towards your Cloudinary account, you will need to have your cloud name, your API key, your API secret, and your username or email address. Once logged into your Cloudinary account, you can go to your account settings, go to the security tab, and from here you will be able to scroll all the way down to fetch your API key along with your API secret. Just copy and paste these directly inside of the integration section. Make sure that once you copy and paste, there is no space at the end. Same goes for the API secret. And the only thing left now is your cloud name and your user email address. You can find your account name by going to the account settings, scroll all the way down, and here you will have your account name. Just copy and paste this directly inside the integration. From here, you will see that your account is now verified and that you are able to use Cloudinary inside of your chatbots.